Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my TJ Maxx video this Sunday. I do these videos every single Sunday, so make sure you guys subscribe if you are new. We just go over the new makeup that TJ Maxx has for the week and also Marshall's. It's super fun. They have amazing products you guys don't even know. It's insane. But surprisingly, I got some pretty good footage this week. I didn't really think I was going to, since I was super busy. I wasn't able to go to the store as much because I actually had my sister-in-law's wedding this weekend. It is my husband's sister. She just got married. I was in the wedding. It was amazing. Such a cute little wedding. It went perfect. And I did the makeup for the wedding too. So I got to do makeup for 6 people plus myself, which was kind of crazy. I was definitely a little stressed, but I was able to get it done in time and it turned out good. So I don't do wedding makeup too often, but just for like friends and family. But it came out really well and I was really pleased with it, and she loved it, of course, so that's all that matters. So that's all about my busy week. But I was so surprised to see that we still found some really good stuff this week. Mostly a lot of stuff from Laura Geller, as you guys will see in this video. I'm still on the hunt. I thought I was gonna find it this week, but I didn't. I really wanted to find the Glam Glow highlighting palette. I don't know if my stores will get it. Sometimes in Iowa we don't get a lot of Glam Glow stuff for some reason. And then I'm still on the hunt for NARS bronzers. I want to find those as well, which would be incredible. I found like everything else from them except that, and the foundation sticks, the matte velvet foundation stick or the skin tint. I have not found those yet, but we will be on the lookout. Anyways, let's get into this video so you can see what we all found this week. Alright guys, I'm at TJ Maxx. It's like storming right now, so it's not very busy, but I did find a couple things here. First up is this NARS pressed powder, which I totally thought this was the bronzer, so I was like, dang, I got so excited for a minute. But it is a pressed powder in the shade Eden, going for only $12.99 here, which is pretty cool. So I had to check out what shade this is exactly to see if it would work for me. It's actually a nice lighter shade that would probably work for me, but I literally just decluttered so much makeup recently, so I'm like, I probably don't need to buy this right now for a pressed powder. I don't really wear a ton of them, so cool find, but I'm going to be putting this one back for someone else. And then I did find another NARS Audacious lipstick. This one is in the shade Stefania, which is kind of cool. This one's going for $7.99. I wanted to see what color this was to see if I was interested in it, and it is like a really bright orchid shade, which is kind of bright. I'm more into the nude lipsticks, so I probably won't be grabbing this one, but it is kind of fun. I did find some more Laura Mercier lipsticks. There's been like a ton of shades lately. This one is their Cream Smooth formula in the shade Fresh Raspberry, going for $7.99. And then there's 3 more of their Velour Lovers lip colors. Once again, these are $7.99 as well in the shades Foreplay, Boudoir, and then Coquette. And then we found another Becca Luminous Blush in Blushed Copper, and these are $7.99. I love finding these. There's a couple I still want to find to like complete my collection, but these are so awesome. And this one would be a really nice shade for like a medium to deeper skin tone. Alright guys, I found a couple exciting things here that I've been looking for. First up, we have the Becca Volcano Goddess Shimmering Skin Perfector in Gold Lava from this collection that goes with the palette and the lip glosses. So exciting to find this. It is only $7.99, which is pretty good. I'm not sure about the color. I think I'm going to go ahead and Google swatches of this, see what it looks like. But yes, I'm so excited to find this for my video. And then something else I have been looking for is this guy here, the Becca Eyelights Palette Apres Ski Glow Collection. This is so cool. It's from like, I think 2 holidays ago. I've always wanted stuff from this collection, never bought it. So it's so cool to see it here at TJ Maxx for $19.99. So a little pricey still, but I believe it is half off. The packaging is beautiful on this, but yeah, I had to show you guys. I was so excited to finally find this here. I need to find the Glow palette as well. I think this is the eyeshadow one, but there's also like a face one too. Yeah, so hopefully we can find that soon as well. So I found another one of those NARS pressed powders. This one's in a different shade, which is Desert. for $12.99 once again. I keep thinking that these are the bronzer packaging, but I cannot find the bronzers, but this is cool to have the powder in some new shades. The store also has one of those Becca Gold Lava highlighters, so this one must be pretty popular this week, popping up at like all the stores. We have quite a bit of different drugstore stuff like e.l.f. and NYX. This is the NYX Illuminator, it says, in the shade Chaotic. This one is going for $3.99. Those are always amazing prices on NYX and e.l.f. Notice this product here from the brand Bliss. It's called the Center of Attention Balancing Foundation Stick. I only see one of these, and it is in the shade of Bronze. So this would be nice to use maybe as actually like a contouring stick, which would be pretty cool. Only $2.99, which is an amazing price for this. This is not a drugstore brand, it's pretty high end, so that is a really awesome price. And then I just saw this other Bliss product. It's called Bang Pout Balm. It's a tinted lip balm in the shade Get Buried Away for only $2.99. Again, amazing price on this. And then this is the packaging on this. It's very simple and very cute. I really like that. I think they still sell Bliss at Ulta. I know they did like a big rebranding, but I don't know if these are older products or just like new packaging, whatever, but yeah, super cool to find Bliss stuff here. I haven't used their things in a while. Found a few of these $1 billion brow kits. I know this brand used to be kind of popular online. It's their best sellers kit. It has a brow pencil, one of the brow conceal and highlights, a brow gel, and then a brow brush as well. So this is going for $6.99. Really cool little set. And then I put some new Laura Geller stuff here in my basket. I wanted to show you guys. We're getting some new stuff in. The Flawless Fundamentals 4-piece collection. I have two different kits here in different shades. This is Cognac, and then I also have medium over there. These are $9.99, and this is what you get. So actually get a Filter First foundation, which is really cool. I would love to find this in my shade. I might be able to get away with the medium one. You get the Filter First, a color luster lip color in Cranberry Crush, a dramatic volumizing mascara, and then a foundation blender. That is a really cool kit. Going for $9.99, which is a great deal. This is a fun find from e.l.f. I remember when these blushes were like the rage, like the best drugstore blush. So we have a e.l.f. blush in Twinkle Pink, going for $1.99. Such a good price. Love that. It looks like super peachy in the packaging, but I think it is a more pink color, but I know people used to think these were dupes for like the NARS ones back in the day, but this is the only color I see so far. Some e.l.f. HD powder in Corrective Yellow. This one is going for $2.99, so this would be really cool to like maybe brighten underneath the eyes. Some other different Laura Geller finds is this brush here. It's the double-ended highlighter brush, which looks like this. This one is only $3.99, which is pretty good for a nice brush here. I had this incredible waterproof gel eyeliner pencil set, which I think I found this before. Really such a good deal. You get 5 different colors, which is awesome. You'd be set for pretty much life with all these fun shades, and it's only $9.99. It used to be $28. It looks like a holiday set, and the colors are perfect, just like the everyday colors you would want. And then I saw these really cute little palettes here. This is the Warms Luxe Finishes eyeshadow palette. Love these shades in here. It looks like maybe there's a couple mattes in there, and mostly like really pretty shimmery shadows for only $5.99. Always amazed by the Laura Geller prices here. Here's another fun palette from Laura Geller. It's called Meet the Nudes. It's a multitasking cream to powder trio. So this is a more like a complexion palette. It has a blush, bronzer, and a highlight for only $5.99. I'm liking these shades in here. Definitely gonna look this one up, see if it's something I'd be interested in. See the shades in person, see if I wanted to pick it up, and it does look like really nice colors. I'm super interested in this cream to powder formula. Just spotted this Laura Geller set. This looks so cute. I love this packaging. What's interesting, it has a brush taped on the back. I don't know if it's supposed to be there, but whatever. It is only $9.99. It's called the Baked Basics palette. So what's in here? Let me go ahead and open it because I have no clue what this is. So I checked this out. Here's the real packaging, and then the inside is actually like so gorgeous. It literally is like all baked products. It looks like eyeshadows on top, bronzer, blush, highlights, literally everything. This is such a good little set. I really enjoy this like color selection here. Super cute, just like everything in one. Here's another product from Bliss. It's the Please Don't Go eyeshadow primer for $2.99. I wonder if this stuff is good. I'll definitely have to look up reviews because I could definitely use some more eye primer. I only have a couple and I always lose them, and then I'm like, where's my eye primer? So a lot of times I end up using concealer. So this could be a good one to pick up. We also have another mineral blush here from Becca in Nightingale. Pretty sure we haven't seen the shade because I think I picked up some peachy ones, and this one's more of a rosy, almost burgundy tone. It's gorgeous. Once again, these are only $7.99. Such a good deal, and love, love, love this formula. It is so good. I'll have to definitely think about this one. It might be too dark, but you guys know I'm obsessed with this formula. This is definitely the week of like Laura Geller sets, just tons I found today. So this one is the Star Treatment 4-piece eye and lip collection. Super cute. You get a lip gloss, this fun little purpley palette, a glam lash mascara, and an incredible eyeliner. Here at TJ Maxx it is $9.99. Love the prices on these sets. This one was super cute too. It's called the Truffles Collection. You get 4 eyeshadow palettes with 12 shades. Originally $45, retailing here for only $7.99. What the heck? That's amazing. Comes kind of like a little truffle or chocolate box, and you get the 4 little individual palettes in there, all themed with different colors. It has the chocolate plum cordial, chocolate toffee, chocolate truffle, and then the chocolate pistachio. Super, super cute. It's pretty cool. They have some MAC Mineralized Foundation in the shade NW20, which actually might work for me, and also NC35. Really excited about this. And these are going for $14.99. if you guys can see that on the side. I've been wanting to get this. I used to use a mineralized foundation from them. I'm not sure if this is the same one, but I used to be obsessed with it, and I think this shade would definitely work for me. Here's even more Bliss stuff. This is the Unbuffing Believable Luminous Finishing Balm for $2.99 in the shade Luminous, which maybe has a pinky undertone. And then this looks really cute, the Long Gloss Love Serum Infused Lip Stain in the shade Molten Guava. And this one is $2.99. It seems like all their stuff is like $2.99. Okay, this is adorable from Laura Geller. I just love this holographic packaging. It looks like the Alanine set they had that I bought previously, but this has a blush, highlight, and bronze. I really like these shades. It looks like it was $35 originally, and here it's only $6.99. The cutest packaging ever. I'm definitely gonna grab this, and I cannot wait to swatch it when I get home so you guys can see what it looks like. I'm pretty sure I haven't shown you guys this either, the iconic New York collection Uptown Chic shadows. It looks like it has 12 shadows for $6.99 in neutrals, of course, which are going to be gorgeous. I'm not a huge fan of Laura Geller shadows, but I do like their like complexion products like blush, bronzer, all that stuff. So they also had a new shade in their NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil, and it's in Roman Holiday, which always reminds me of Nicki Minaj because she had a song named that on one of her, I think it's the Pink Print album, so I always sing it when I hear that name. But I definitely remember this coming out. I believe it's like a fun like pink color. Let's see. So as you can see the end cap there, it's going to be like a light pink shade. And you guys know I always like to show you guys the new First Aid Beauty stuff I see at TJ Maxx. So they have the cleansing body polish with active charcoal. Charcoal is supposed to be really good for detoxing. This is the full size, so it looks like for $6.99. At Marshall's they do have this Bite Beauty little set. This is super adorable. It comes with, it's called the Nude Lip Essential Set, and it actually comes with a mini Amuse Bouche lipstick, and then it also comes with a mini Agave lip mask, which I would totally get this just for the lip mask, which is so cool. Although it is a little bit overpriced since they are minis. It is $7.99. I would like to see it a little cheaper, but this is a really cool find nonetheless. I would love to see more Bite Beauty stuff. I haven't seen new stuff from them since like Christmas time, so this is awesome. So I stopped in at Marshall's. They don't really have a ton of stuff here, but they do have a lot of e.l.f. that they've added this week, some different stuff than I saw at TJ Maxx, and this was my favorite thing I found so far. The e.l.f. Clay Eyeshadow Palette in collaboration with Jackie Aina. I didn't know she did a collab, so this is really cool. I definitely want to get one for myself. The colors look beautiful, and it's only $2.99. So excited about this. Even though it's drugstore, I think it's going to be amazing because Jackie always has amazing things, so I'm definitely going to pick this up. Also from e.l.f. here, they have the Cream Blush Palette in a soft. Also $2.99 for that, 4 different cream shades. And they have an illuminating palette as well. This one's just powder for also $2.99. We have a couple of e.l.f. baked eyeshadow palettes. This first one is called NYC. These are all the shades. It looks beautiful for $3.99. So that one's just $1 more than the other stuff, but super cute colors. And then there is another shade here. This one's more neutral looking. This one is in California. Very pretty. I know some people have been finding some Bite Beauty lipsticks. I just saw this one out of the corner of my eye, the Amuse Bouche Liquefied Lip. This one is in Torn. It's spelled a little bit differently. It looks like a fun, like, hot orange color. Going for $7.99. I'm gonna see if I can find some more Bite stuff because I love their brand. I haven't really used their liquefied lipsticks. I like more of a matte lip, and I think these are more of a glossy. But it's super cool to find this here as well. I wish it was a more neutral. You guys know I'm all about neutrals, so I probably wouldn't use this color, but it is beautiful. To end this week's video, I have two more Marshalls finds here. We have another MAC foundation, the Studio Sculpt, which I think is their more like full coverage foundation. I've only seen one shade, which is NC50, and it is $14.99. And then I found another Laura Mercier palette. I saw one of these 2 videos back that I picked up in Bohème Chic, but now we have the editorial eye palette for $16.99. I still need to try my other one. I was not impressed with the swatches though, so I don't know. I need to try it on the eyes and let you guys know how it is, but I definitely want to see what shades are in this one. Alright guys, I'm going to show you guys what I picked up this week. I didn't get a whole lot. I tried to handle myself a little bit and not go too crazy. The first thing I picked up was the MAC Mineralized Foundation in NW20. I was definitely wanting to try this. I used to use, like, my first ever high-end foundation was something, it was like MAC Mineralized something, and I don't know if it was this, like an older version of it, but I really liked it. And so I did pick this up. This one just has a more updated packaging. I'm pretty sure it was something like this. So I definitely wanted to try this one again. But it has SPF in it, which is awesome. And then I did pick up the Becca Mineral Blush in Nightingale, just because I think this would be a nice, like, rosy burgundy tone one. It is a little bit dark, but I think it will work nice. I don't really have anything like this in my collection, so I think this will be nice. Like, if I even just use like a little bit, it's gonna come off more like rosy tone, because you can definitely blend this out, as you can see. But I just think this color would be really nice to have, so had to get that. I want to find, I think I've seen other people find like every single shade that they have. I want to find Wild Honey in Gypsy if they have that one. And then I also grabbed this little e.l.f. palette, which I was super excited to find. It's a collab with Jackie Aina. It's called J Glow. And I just thought that the colors in here were really pretty. It was only $2.99. So this is what it looks like. It has a gorgeous gold, a couple cool tone browns in there, a fun blue, and then this like nice silver. So yeah, really nice all around colors. I haven't really used much of e.l.f.'s eyeshadows, so that would be really fun to try. Although I don't know if they still actually sell this anymore. It might be older. And then I did pick up this Laura Geller set. I just thought it was too cute to pass up. It's called the Glam On Demand palette. And it has a blush, highlight, and bronzer. And then here is the colors in here. And they're baked blush, like, kind of formula. Really gorgeous. I'm going to swatch these for you, of course. So we have the blush, highlight, and then the bronzer there from Laura Geller. Gorgeous formula. Cannot wait to try this on my face. I need to do a TJ Maxx try-on video very soon. Hopefully I can do one this week because there's a lot I need to try for you guys. But anyways, that is going to complete my TJ Maxx little haul. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Of course, as always, let me know down below what you guys found this week. You know, I'm on the hunt for a few things still. And I'm always like surprised at what we're going to see the next week at TJ Maxx. It's always like you never know what's going to happen. It could be anything, really. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy these videos. I love talking about different makeup deals and finding the best deals for you guys. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.